recognizing key symptoms before heart issues escalate. Hello, and welcome back to our health channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic, one that could potentially save your life or the life of someone you care about. We're talking about recognizing the key symptoms of heart issues before they escalate into something serious. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, but here's the good news. It's often preventable when we pay attention to early warning signs. In this video, we'll explore the subtle signals your body might be sending you, why they shouldn't be ignored, and how to take proactive steps for better heart health. Whether this applies to you directly or someone you know, the information we share today can make a world of difference. Let's start with the most well-known warning sign, chest discomfort. We've all seen dramatic depictions of heart attacks in movies, someone clutching their chest and falling to the ground. But in reality, chest pain is often much subtler. It might feel like pressure, a squeezing sensation, or even a fullness in your chest. This discomfort can last a few minutes or come and go, and it's not always severe. What's happening here? This could be a sign of angina, which occurs when blood flow to the heart is reduced. It's a red flag that your heart isn't getting enough oxygen, and it could be an early warning of a heart attack. If you ever experience chest discomfort, especially when it's paired with other symptoms like nausea, dizziness, or cold sweats, don't brush it off. Seek medical attention immediately. Time is critical when it comes to heart health. Now let's talk about shortness of breath. Have you ever found yourself gasping for air after light activity, like walking up the stairs or carrying groceries? If this happens often, it's not just a sign of being out of shape. Shortness of breath can be a symptom of heart failure or a buildup of fluid in the lungs, which occurs when the heart struggles to pump blood effectively. This symptom can strike during physical activity, rest, or even while lying down. If you notice it persisting or getting worse over time, it's essential to take it seriously. Don't dismiss it as something minor. It's a conversation you need to have with your doctor. Moving on to something many of us experience but often overlook: fatigue. Everyone feels tired from time to time, but this is different. Imagine waking up after a full night's sleep and still feeling like you have no energy to face the day. Fatigue like this can be a sign that your heart isn't pumping enough oxygen-rich blood to your muscles and tissues. This symptom is particularly common in women and can even appear before more obvious signs of heart trouble. If you find yourself constantly drained, struggling to keep up with daily tasks, or feeling unusually tired, don't chalk it up to stress or aging. It's worth getting checked out by a healthcare professional. Let's talk about swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet, also known as edema. You might notice your shoes feeling tighter by the end of the day, or swelling that seems to worsen with prolonged sitting or standing. This isn't just a cosmetic issue. It can indicate poor circulation or fluid retention caused by a struggling heart. When the heart doesn't pump efficiently, fluid can build up in the extremities. If this swelling becomes a recurring issue or doesn't go away with rest, it's a sign to visit your doctor. Paying attention to these small changes can prevent more significant complications down the road. Another symptom that might surprise you is irregular heartbeat or palpitations. Have you ever felt your heart racing, skipping a beat, or fluttering in your chest? Occasional palpitations can happen due to stress or caffeine, but frequent irregularities are a different story. They might indicate a condition like atrial fibrillation, which increases the risk of stroke and heart failure. If you notice consistent or severe changes in your heartbeat, it's crucial to have it evaluated. Early detection can prevent serious complications and keep your heart in rhythm. Beyond these major signs, there are a few additional symptoms to keep on your radar. For example, jaw, neck, or back pain can sometimes be a sign of heart problems, especially in women. This type of pain is often referred, meaning it doesn't originate where you expect it to. Similarly, nausea, lightheadedness, and cold sweats are often dismissed as minor issues but can accompany heart trouble. These symptoms are easy to overlook or attribute to less serious conditions, but awareness is key. If they occur alongside other signs, don't hesitate to seek medical help. So, what can you do to prevent heart issues before they escalate? Prevention starts with taking care of your heart daily. Eat a diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Exercise regularly, even if it's just a brisk 30-minute walk each day. Manage your stress levels and make time for rest and relaxation. It's also vital to monitor your health through regular checkups. Keep track of your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels and address any concerns with your doctor early. Most importantly, listen to your body. If something feels off, trust your instincts and act promptly. Your heart is the engine that keeps you going. If you or someone you care about experiences any of the symptoms we discussed today, don't wait. Early detection and timely action can save lives. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more health tips. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, whether it's questions, experiences, or tips of your own. Together, we can raise awareness and take control of our heart health. Thank you for watching, and remember to prioritize your heart. It's the center of everything you do. See you in the next video.